Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Catherine Gage, also KG Beauty with Dan, and tonight I'm going to deploy some of my lipsticks and make me a cosmetic palette. And I'm using my marykay lipsticks, and I searched different videos that hadn't seen one quite like this before. Some of the tools that you're going to need is you're going to need your favorite lipsticks. You need to get your cosmetic tray. I got these from Max Cosmetics. They came in a tray of 24, and they were $3. You're gonna need to get a spatula and a cosmetic tray. I got this from Amazon. I think it was about $5 or $6. You need to get you some Q-tips, and you also need to get you some alcohol. I have some wipes on hand, and also I have some paper towels, and I have me some labels. And ink pens. So first thing you're gonna do, if you want to, you can get your lipsticks in order. So first thing I'm going to do, I've already did one, just did one, but I'm gonna finish sanitizing my tray. You want to make sure that everything is sanitized. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in and just use my alcohol. I'm using ISO 70, and I'm going to get my alcohol, get this good and wet with the alcohol, and just go ahead and sanitize all of my utensils that I'm going to use. You want to do this because this is going to be very important. So I'm just sanitizing everything right now. Then I'm going to go in and sanitize my cosmetic tray. I already had sanitized the one, but I'm going to go ahead and sanitize the rest of them, because you want to make sure that everything is sanitized with your alcohol. So I'm just going in, and I'm basically going in and rubbing everything in there. Then I'm going to take my Q-tips, and I'm going to get just a little bit of alcohol on the Q-tip and go into all the little cracks to make sure I'm getting everything. So now I'm just going in and just cleaning everything. Just going in and cleaning all the little cracks, making sure that my trays are good enough. This is a good thing to do if you're a makeup artist, a traveling makeup artist, and you don't want to take all your makeup, all your lipsticks. You can go ahead and make your palette. So I'm already made one. So far I made a powerful pink palette, and I stuck the lipsticks, since that one was almost empty, I took the lipstick back and I put it on the back of these. Now I have some trays. I got a palette coming from MAC that fits into these palettes. I also ordered my marykay Pro palette, so I'm going to see if that works. Okay, now this one I already have put in there, and I already went and put in the microwave. So first I'm just going to get the lipsticks together, show you a few, and then show you how I did mine. And then there's different ways. I would say that there are different ways to do this. Some people decide not to use any heat. You do have to be careful if you do use heat, because heat can take away the texture. So you want to just use it lightly. You don't want to burn it. Some people use candles. I've seen some people use a blow dryer. I've seen some people use hot water. I've seen some people just smash it in. So it's really your preference how you want to do it. So I'm going to go in and just look at some of my lipsticks. This is a powerful pink. So I've already got one powerful pink, and I think I'm just going to do another one. I'm going to save that one for later. I wanted to just have two with the powerful pinks in there, because that's the one that I go through. Now, you can take the whole lipstick out if you want to take the whole lipstick out. And so if you want to do that, you want to just take your paper towel, and you can just take it by there and just wiggle just a little bit. And it will come, that doesn't hurt. Because like I said, I'm not going to depot all of mine, because I like to have lipsticks. So I'm taking that, and I'm going to put that on the back of going through and getting my spatula clean again. So Mine's is going to be kind of multiple colored. This is our matte. This is Orange Mio. So this was a limited edition. So I'll make sure that I'll put that on the label that it's limited edition. All your lipsticks. I'm just saying, if you just want to make sure that when you're traveling and you're a traveling makeup artist, that you don't have to carry a whole bunch of things, this would be perfect for that. And even when you're doing your makeup, all you need to do is make sure that after every use that you wipe this down, spray it off with alcohol to sanitize your products. You want to do that after every use. Even with your eyeshadows or any of your products, once you're done with that session, and you want to do that in between customers as well. But once you're done, then all you would need to do is just go through that process of cleaning that. I've been just mashing it. It got a little bit quicker for me to just get it kind of mashed up a little bit. And then put it on the spoon. Just sped the process up a little bit. Now, if they're at room temperature and you don't want to use heat, you don't have to. Because then you can just stick them in your fridge or freezer for a little bit. But I'll say for about. This is one of my favorite True Dimensions. It's called Firecracker Red. And everybody know I love my pinks. I love my reds, and I do like neutrals. I'm trying to learn to like neutrals. I didn't really have a set idea of what I wanted. Now, some people may want to have all colors in one, then have your neutrals. You know, you can make this however you want it. Honestly, it's yours. If you want to have. When I saw this project and knew I wanted to film this video, I knew that I was going to get it, and I got this off of Amazon Prime. I love Amazon Prime. It is real. I pay a monthly subscription. You can pay it yearly, but it's just easy for me to do a month. Pulls right off. Once you get that just a little bit of warm, it don't take a lot to get it hot. It's two. And I'm just going to do a little bit of housekeeping cleanup. tray come in, I'm going to take it and put it in my MAC tray, and then I'll probably put my own logo on top of it, KG Beauty Within. But I am going to check to see if it'll fit into our Mary Kay Pro palette. I'm not sure on that. I'll come back and let you all know that. But here's the finished look. And so now I have a palette that I can use when I want to use it. And I'm really happy about that. So I'm just going to test it out right quick and just take a color and just see. Just take my tip. This one is always apricot. I'm really happy with this. So this is KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant, bringing you how to deposit your lipsticks. And these are all Mary Kay lipsticks. You can use whatever you want. You can use whatever your favorite brand is. You can do it. And if you do it with lip glosses, you want to do the same thing. I will say with lip glosses, since they're kind of liquidy already, you will probably not have to warm them. You would probably just put them in some warm hot water. I saw one YouTuber that put them in hot water, so you can probably just put them in hot water and then pour them into here. I'm going to let them sit for just a few moments and stick it in the freezer. Just let them get nice and hard, and then I'll be able to use this. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this. This is Catherine Gage, KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. Remember, God first, family second, career third. Put all three of those things in perspective, and everything do fall in place. And I'm really happy with